It's a quick video on how to remove the front diff. It's a XUV 590i. The differential does end up coming out the bottom. You can pull a little chunk of skid plate there. Your CV axles have to come out. All of your outer hub assemblies have to come out. Your rack, steering rack here, this has to come out. There's 4 bolts, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. Those have to come out in order to have enough clearance for the differential to be removed. You have a front caliper and rotor situation here. The rotor stays on the output shaft of the differential when it comes out. There is room for it to clear. The little caliper portion gets removed. Let me see here. Yeah, you can see better here. There's a little coupler there for the drive shaft. A bolt that just goes through a groove on the output shaft, or I guess the input shaft for that front differential that has to get removed. And then the whole thing has to be loosened up, basically pushed forward as far as it can go with this rotor ending up kind of above this cross member here, and then it actually gets rotated. The whole thing gets rotated be towards the passenger side, kind of rolls, the top rolls to the passenger side, and then you can finagle it back towards the front just far enough that this drive shaft can be pried back enough to get off that input shaft. You'll have to get a pry bar or something on it. This thing it's kind of like almost spring tension on it. You can push it back, pop it off that shaft, and then the whole works will drop down. But that's the main portion of how to get this out. Obviously there's a lot of little details, but that is how it works.